Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra or any newer Galaxy Watch is primarily designed to work with Android devices. While it can connect to an iPhone, the functionality may be limited compared to when paired with an Android phone. Follow these steps to connect your Galaxy Watch Ultra to your iPhone 16 Pro Max, as your Galaxy Watch Ultra do not support iOS connection, but we will bridge it app called Merge. Newer Galaxy Watches, including the newer Galaxy Watch series, may have reduced compatibility or no support for iOS due to Samsung's focus on Android. On your App Store on iPhone 16 Pro Max, download the Merge app from the App Store. If prompted after installation to download extra plugins for the specific Galaxy Watch Ultra, follow those instructions. Make sure the watch is turned on and in pairing mode. To reset pairing mode, go to Settings, then to General to reset, if the watch has already been connected to another device. Open the Merge app on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to search for and connect to your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on for both your iPhone and the smartwatch. Accept the pairing request on both the iPhone and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. You may be asked to enter a code shown on the Galaxy Watch Ultra into your iPhone. If not, accept the pair. During the setup process, the app will ask for permissions for notifications, accessing contacts, etc. Approve these based on your preferences. But note that functionality may be somewhat restricted on iOS devices compared to Android. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.